Website Skill. My name is Greatness Washington, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add pages to your website. In the last video, we talked about how to customize your template homepage, which we've done. We were able to adjust our logo. Um, we were able to make some modifications in the text and add images, and we were able to also add sections. If you haven't watched the last video, I advise you watch the last video, go to our YouTube at TechSite Skill and get the video and watch the video. So in this video, we will be adding a page. So the last thing we did in the last video was to create an About Us page, which is we were able to create an About Us section. So now we need to create a page that would link to this Learn More button. So when they read a little brief get a little brief information about the company, they can click on the Learn More button to learn more. So to do this, remember I said to add anything to your page, you use the plus button here to add. But in this session, if you want to add a new page, the first thing you do is you on the left side corner of your screen, you would see a file icon which has a tooltip named menus and page. It's the second button by the left side of your screen. So you click on it. Now when you click on it, it shows you the site pages, right? So if you want to view the pages on your site, you go to the second button by the left side of your screen. The second button, and it's the menu and pages button. So you click on it, it shows you the list of pages. Now all we have is just the page, home page. Now in the site menu, you have the site menu here. Now you have the home page. Now we want to add another page to our website to enable us, customize and create dedicated page for the About Us. So at the bottom here on this panel, you see an Add Page button. So you click on the Add Page button. Now, when you click on the Add Page button, you have another panel coming. It shows on your screen, and they are predefined page templates that you can select. So you see how easy it is. You don't have to create from scratch or start writing in code or anything. You just select these pages. And the most important thing is these templates, these predefined designed templates or pre-designed templates are professionally designed based on years of experience, and they are designed following the principles or the science of what works in website design. So if you look at the categories of all these templates for a page, you have the About Us category, the service categories, the projects, the contact, general, 404 and landing page categories, and you have other ones. But for now, what we focus on is the About Us category. So once you click on the About Us here, which is what we're looking for, we find the About Us template that we love, right? So we scroll down. There are different kinds of About Us. Like this one is a profile. If it's a personal website, you can have this, but that's not what we're looking for. I'm looking for a simple About Us page without not so much write-ups around it. So I think this is fine. It just contains, if you look at it, you can hover your mouse and preview the templates so you can have a feel of what it's like before you use it. Okay, so it has a simple image, About Us, full story. I think this is okay. So I'm just going to click this Add Page button here, and it automatically adds this template to our page. Okay, so it has successfully added the template to our page, to our website. So, and after adding it, a panel shows up on the left side of your screen, giving you an option to modify the name of the page. So you click inside the box right here that is already highlighted, the About Us box, which is right here. It's highlighted, so you click inside it and modify or write, you type in any name that suits your need. But for this course, we would write about us. I think that's basically what we should put here. Okay, just there, this little case. Okay, so once you're done typing, you just click on the done button. Now, if you notice right here on the menu on the header of the website, you would see that it has changed. It was a home page before. Now we have about us added to it. So the same thing we did last time. We're going to make modifications on this page, and that's it. So first we're going to do is we're going to change this to, other than having about, we're going to change it to about us. Right? Yeah. So we want to change this image background to something more related to our company. So when you click on the image, now remember, this is not an image. This is a section, also known as a strip, right? Remember I said your your website, each of your website pages are divided into different sections, and every section is organized in a strip, right? A strip is more like a box, right? Where it's a box that groups related information. It's a way of organizing your website and laying out the items or elements of your website in a more consistent way that it looks. So if you look at this, this is a strip. If you look at it, it's already showing here. It's a box, right? And now if you look right here, this is another box. So this strip is grouping or organizing the text, whilst this strip is organizing the image, this background image, and the about us text, right? Now, we want to change this image. This is not a direct image. This is a background image. So we click on the strip and we click on the change strip background so we can modify it. Once you click on it, it takes you straight to the image. It pops up a panel. You click on the panel, the image button on the panel. It takes us to the Wix Media. Remember, we don't have our image. You can meet the graphic designer to design an image for you, right? Or you could download an image from any source on the internet, but ensure it comes with a size. You can download any image, and you bring it in, and you click on the upload button here. Once you click on the upload button, it gives you access to getting images from your computer. Here it says upload from your computer, but we're not doing that here. We're only picking from Wix library. So let's search Wig again. Remember, if you're designing a website for any category, any business category, you can always search that category here and find related pictures to it. So I would love to use this lady. I think she's pretty. I believe you already know exactly how to add an image to your website, so I'm just going to be quick about this. Okay, so we just added an image to our website. This image is not totally perfect, and that's why it's important that we always work on our image appropriately for it to show. So but for the meantime, that's it. That's how to add an image background, the background image. So let's go back here and say, do we really want this full story? Okay, let's leave this full story. No, we can modify this to be who we are. Okay, remember how to edit the text. The same way you edit text around the website, that's how you do it everywhere. In this one, it contains 3 paragraphs. We're going to edit this paragraph by double clicking on it. Now, 2 ways to edit the text. It's either you double click on it, which is the most easy, this is the fastest way to do it, or you click on the text and you click on the edit button, right, which is this. So we're going to go back to our file, and we would find the about us information here. We copy it, we paste it. So I'm going to copy this all. You should also copy this from your own file, and you paste. Right, so that's it. I've just copied and I pasted the contents. So we have who we are, we have our about page ready. So we go down to, okay, so as I added the about us template, it automatically added a form saying let's work together. So no need to, we're not going to talk about form right now, we'll talk about form when we add our contact us page. So that's exactly how to add an about us page. And once you're done with this, you save it. So you've added an about us page to your website. So now you have a home page, you have about us page, and yeah, that's it. In the next video, I'll show you how to add a contact us page. Happy learning.